The all-new Android Nougat update has arrived and brings a ton of cool new features with it. Along with features like inline notification replies, multi-window, customizable quick settings and more, Android 7.0 packs in some great tricks waiting to be unlocked. This is Rupesh from bbomb.com and today I'm going to show you some of these awesome tricks. All set? Let's begin. Google has had a love-hate relationship with the night mode, with developer previews of Nougat and Marshmallow packing the feature only to be removed in the stable build. Keep in mind that the night mode is not the dark theme. Instead, it's just a filter, like iPhone's night shift or flux on computers, which makes sure that you can view your phone's display strain-free at night. Thankfully, there's a way to enable night mode. Just install the Night Mode Enabler app from the Play Store. Once done, open the app and tap on Enable Night Mode, which will take you to the System UI Night Mode page, which is otherwise hidden. Here, turn on Night Mode and you'll find the Night Mode toggle available in Quick Settings. Next up is the ability to change the DPI in Android Nougat. This comes in handy when you want the UI elements and the text to be smaller or larger, because you have a vision problem or if you just don't like the huge icons and text. Well, you no longer need to root your Android device to set a custom DPI. On Android N, you can just go to Settings, Display Size, and you can choose among small, default, large, larger and largest. The good thing is, the DPI change works system-wide and not only on text. Android Nougat's primary feature is split-screen multitasking, and we sure love it. The ability to run two apps at the same time really makes things more productive and fun. While split-screen multitasking is pretty simple to use, it comes with some cool nifty tricks. For instance, you can double tap on the multitasking or recents button to quickly switch to the last app. You now also have the option to clear all cards from the multitasking interface. Another cool trick is the ability to drag and drop text from one window to another. Handy if you just want to share some text from an article to a friend. Now that you know how split-screen multitasking works in Nougat, you must have noticed that not all apps are compatible with the feature. Well, you can force them to work with multi-window. All you need to do is head to Settings, go to About Phone, tap on Build number 7 times to enable developer options. Once done, head to Developer Options, scroll down to the end, and enable Force Activities to be resizable. This should make sure that all of the apps are compatible with multi-window. If you like fiddling around with hidden options, Nougat, like Marshmallow, features System UI Tuner options, which brings some cool hidden features. To enable System UI Tuner, go to Quick Settings and press hold the settings cog icon for around 5 seconds. Once you release the press hold, you will get a message saying "Congrats, System UI Tuner has been added to settings." You will then find the System UI Tuner at the bottom of the settings page. Here you can choose which status bar icons to show or hide, along with options to turn Do Not Disturb on or off with volume buttons, and enable split screen through a gesture. If you have ever wanted an app's notification to take the primary spot in the notification shade, well, Nougat includes the ability to set the priority of different app notifications. In the System UI Tuner page, you can set the priority of a notification with power notification controls. First, turn on power notification controls. Then you will see 6 levels of notification priority, with level 5 being the max and level 0 being the minimum, meaning no notifications. After you have turned it on, you can go to an app's info page, go to notifications and choose the importance level of the app's notifications. Android Nougat lets you add your emergency info that can be accessed right from the lock screen. So in case of a mishap, a stranger would be able to access your emergency info and get you help. To add your emergency info, go to Settings, Users, Emergency Information. You can add info like an emergency contact, your blood group, address, medications, allergies, etc. Another nifty trick that Android N brings is the ability to block numbers natively. Yes, say goodbye to third-party call blocking apps. To block numbers, go to the Dialer app and hit the 3-dot button at the top right. Then go to Settings, Call Blocking. Here just add the numbers you want to block. In Nougat, the list of blocked numbers can be accessed by third-party apps and operators too, so that annoying stalker of yours will not be able to contact you through any way. How cool is that? Moving on, apps like Facebook or Messenger constantly run in the background, taking up a lot of data. Thankfully, Android 7.0 brings the data saver mode, which restricts background as well as foreground app activities to cut down on your data charges. While you're certainly saving your bandwidth, what if you want to use your favorite app without any restrictions? Well, you can do that. To whitelist apps in the data saver mode, go to the unrestricted data access section. Here, enable apps that you don't want to be restricted. The last trick is to set multiple languages in Nougat. This is very useful indeed if you're a bilingual or a multilingual. For instance, I'm from India and I want to use various services in both English as well as Hindi. Well, Nougat lets you switch between multiple languages on the go. You can simply add new languages by going to Settings, Language and Input, Language. You can add as many languages as you want, but the device's primary language will remain the language that is the first on the list. Well, those were some cool new Android Nougat tricks. Give this video a thumbs up if you like these tricks. Hit that subscribe button as we bring some amazing videos thrice a week. Also, leave us your thoughts in the comment section below. Well, this is Rupesh signing off. Thanks for watching.